Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily and quickly increase the font size in Google Chrome on your iPhone cell phone. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, also write comments, and let us get started with you. And first of all, go to any web browser that you are comfortable with. I use Safari. Next, using Wikipedia as an example, how you can enlarge text. And to do that, you need to click on this two-letter A sign. And so at the bottom, you'll have a text zoom in and out function. So if you click on the big A, you can see that the text can be enlarged to the size that you want it to be. And you can do the same thing to shrink the text. So that's the very simple way, friends, you can quickly increase or decrease the font size of your Google Chrome on mobile. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, be sure to write your comments, and see you soon.